students, many of the uh, students from different states, apart from the Karnataka, they were insisting on the integrations because majority of the videos are covering only differentiations, matrices, determinant, and some part of vectors are missing, and they are more interested in learning integrations and differential equations, and some problems like very tough sums they've asked, sir, please solve this or do the derivations. I don't know what for, but we are confined only to do the IIT, JEE, and common. But what happens, because of the request of different students, they really, sir, if you do that, it will be better. It is going to be an endless work for a lot of teachers. We have to break all the see. Almost 50-60% of the teachers from Vijay College, lecturers, professors, personally they have helped me in this work. Anyway, yesterday I could not upload on two or three videos, and as a career guidance and placement cell program, today I will be continuing the same integrations. It will be different. Some derivation will be there, and some questions will be. They will be asking you the central part of the derivations. Therefore, whatever the students request, I am doing it now. I will start. The one particular student they have asked, sir, how you get this? That is dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Yes, this is a basic question. See, what I decided to do is there are two important derivations. I'll do it for you, maybe for your main exams. A square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a. Only these two I'll do it at present. Okay. Now, first I'll start this. Say, consider dx by square root of a square minus x square. See, what I feel is, see, whenever you get minus, put x is equal to a sine theta. If you get plus, x equal to a tan theta. Minus or plus, if you get it, put x square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. I don't know what is the logic behind it. I don't know that. But it will work out. You'll be getting most of the problems in inverse trigonometry functions, differentiation, integration, and all, we are getting it. Okay, let us see. Here, since minus is there, put x is equal to a sin theta. Therefore, sin theta equal to x by a. Hence, theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Now I got this. Now, x is equal to sin a sin theta. Dx is equal to d a sin theta. Whenever see here, a is a constant, a d sin theta. See, whenever you have, see, remember, differential of x square, what you would write? 2x. Since d is there, you write dx. Actually, you would have got like this, d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. If you cross multiply, you will get 2x dx. To avoid this step directly, whenever you get the differential, you write the dx adjacent to that. Here d is there, therefore here what? A sine, differential of sine is what? Cos theta. Since d is there, you write d theta. Right? D theta. Now this is one aspect. Next, what happens? Consider square root of a square minus x square. Consider this. Square root of a square. X square is what? A square sine square theta. Then take a square as a common factor. 1 minus sine square theta. You know, sine square plus cos square equal to 1. cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square, or sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square, is it not? 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square, isn't it? Therefore square root of a square cos square theta. Therefore square root of a square is a cos square, therefore a cos theta, you get it. This is square root of a square, x square is a cos theta. Now what I do is, see cautiously I am going to write cos theta is equal to square root of a square minus x square. That is, what is this? Why I am doing this? To do all the related problems like this. Let us see. We will analyze just how to develop a subject. What is dx? You got it. Now dx is this, is it not? The dx I am substituting here. Then what is a square minus x square? A square minus x square I am going to substitute here. Therefore, why do it? This is equal to integral of, what is dx? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta divided by square root of, square root of a square minus x square is what? This is a cos theta d theta. Here a cos c, square root of a square minus x square, a cos theta. Now, just a minute. Now this a get cancelled, cos theta cancel, integration of d theta. See, you know integration of dx is what? X plus c. Instead of x, what you got? D theta, no? Therefore, what you get? Theta you get it. Now, you take this. X is equal to a sin theta, isn't it? Therefore, sin theta equal to what? X by a. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Therefore, in place of theta, I will write sin inverse x by a. Therefore, what is this? Where you got it from this? Therefore, integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse plus a. Now, say example, you can give a small problem also, you can work it out. Look, integration of dx by square root of 5 minus x square. See, 5 can be written as root 5 the whole square. Can I write like this? Integration of dx by square root of root 5 whole square minus x square. Then what? How does it look like? Here, what is a? A is what? Root 5. Therefore, you can write this is sin inverse x by root 5. Plus. Now, you can do this other sum also. So, say example dx by square root of 1 by x square. What is 1 by x square? Here 1 can be written as dx by square root of 1 square minus x square. Here a is what? 1. Therefore, I will replace this sin inverse x by 1 or sin inverse x plus c. Therefore, now you know how you have done this. Okay. Similarly, I can do the other sum. Whatever the student they have asked, that one I am doing now. How to do this integration of dx by a square plus x square. Now we have to prove this is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now what I said here, whenever you have minus x equal to a sin theta plus x equal to a tan theta, therefore put x is equal to a tan theta. It means plus means what? Plus here, see it looks plus t. Plus t, this is t tan theta, right? Remember, plus t tan theta. So put x equal to tan theta. Therefore what? Dx is equal to what? A d of tan theta. See, you know, differential coefficient of sin x, cos x. Differential coefficient of cos x minus sin x. Differential coefficient of tan x secant square x. Differential coefficient of cot x minus cosecant square x. You know this. Okay. Therefore, I'll write therefore dx is equal to a. Differential coefficient tan is secant square x. Therefore, here secant square theta. Since d is there, you write d theta. Now see, now I identify what is dx I have done. Dx, you can substitute here, right? Now how about this? A square plus x square. Consider a square plus x square is what? A square tan square theta. A square is common factor, 1 plus tan square theta. You know what is 1 plus tan square theta? You know what are the formulas? Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, isn't it? Therefore, here, first year PUC you learnt all this. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, a square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. That is what? A square plus x square. Therefore, I replace this. This I can replace this. What will happen? See, integration of say that is equal to integration of what is dx? A secant square theta d theta. What is a square plus x square? A square plus x square is equal to a square secant square theta. Now a get cancelled. Secant square get cancelled. This 1a you can take it out. Therefore 1 by a integral of d theta. As usual, what it did here? Integration of dx is equal to x, isn't it? Integration of d theta is theta. The same way here, integration of d theta is theta. Now again come back. You take this part. I'll put it here. X equal to a tan theta. You bring this down. Therefore, x by a equal to tan theta, or theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Therefore, I am going to put it this here. As a result, what you get? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Therefore, what is this? Integration of dx a square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now, a few sums on this. Integration of dx by 2 plus x square. How to do this? This can be written as dx by 2 can be written as root to the whole square plus x square. A is what? Root. Therefore, this is what? 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by root 2. This is the first sum. The second sum, say x square plus 1 square. Sorry, x square plus 1. Or you can replace this like this, dx by 1 square plus x square, one and the same. Is equal to 1 by 1 tan inverse x by 1, or is equal to tan inverse x plus. Therefore, you can do the related sums on this. Now I do the completing square, and what are the sums related to this? You can do a lot of sums which is related to this, that I am going to do in the next class. Say example, what are the sum related to this? Say, which one? Where is this? X is equal to minus 1 plus yeah. This sum and this sum. See, they may ask you integration of how to do this root square minus x square dx. There are two methods are there here. Okay. Then again what? X dx by root a square minus x square. Look, Here x is not there, but they are adding x is there. This is one type of sum. Second type of sum now, 0 to x square dx by root a square minus x square. See, this is odd, this is even. How to do this? Third sum, integration of x cube dx by square root of a square minus x square. Okay. In the 80 exams and all, 5 minus x square by, they will give like this, x cube dx. You have to be very fast in calculation. And not only that, if they add upper limit 0 to a, how to do this? There are two methods. One is substitution method like this. Another way by integration by parts. By parts also you can do integration by parts. See, I am very much thankful for all this knowledge. Our dean, once I was struggling in the beginning when I joined the college. In the beginning, I used to come regularly in the library. He also comes and observe, and whatever the doubts and all, I used to disturb him, and he taught me a lot of things. Maybe I have forgotten. Maybe he's in his habit. He has taught a lot of children's, different students, different lecturers, and sometime, you know what, it looks as if he has come to teach me only that place. So much I learned from him. And moreover, recently my colleague and the vice principal of Vijaya College, Dr. Radhakrishna, he is helping me in all the ways. And other colleagues like Satyanarayana SBS and Kulkarni and different staff there, they are helping me to do this. The fluency, what I have got it only by the grace of their help. Whenever, any moment, they stop their work and they teach for the purpose of students' community. Anyway, I am really fortunate that I am doing this type of work. Please, whoever learn this, you propagate for other students, propagate these videos. Not only across the state, across the globe you propagate. You are going to do good things. Therefore, again I am telling you, students is a common factor. Education should be free, fundamental right of our constitution. We will try to achieve like other country, and you are going to be, you are like a white sheet where anything can be written. We are already written sheet. Here you can't write anything. We may be contaminated, we are bad or good. Now I can't become again. You are like a white sheet. You are going to rewrite your history. How you are going to, you write, if you are perfect, your family and our society will be perfect, our country will be perfect, our country is going to be a superpower. Who knows? You are going to change the entire world. Everything, every big history in the world is changed by only one person, one man or woman or whoever it is. And I don't think so. The collective decisions. Yes, one man insists in what is that, spread all his ideas, and that group will take group action. Think about the Vivekananda, even the Hitler. You take it bad way. Mahatma Gandhi, even our Prime Minister, and Nehru, even Prime Minister. You take Prime Minister Modi. See, if you start doing yoga, everybody is doing yoga. See, the leader is the perfect. Leader should be perfect. You are going to become a leader of this country, leader of this nation, and help others. How you have to help? By helping and discussing. First, you have to get perfect yourself. Okay. Thank you. Next class, we will do all this.